Imagine walking into a room of exactly 23 random people. If asked the odds that two share a birthday, what number pops into your head? Your brain immediately runs a quick, logical calculation. A year has 365 days. You are looking at a small group of 23 people. Therefore, the chances of two overlapping dates must be tiny, maybe 5 or 10% at best. But the mathematical reality is different. In a room of just 23 people, there is a 50-50 chance of a shared birthday. It is a coin flip. This collective disbelief exposes a severe glitch in how the human brain processes probability and reality. The glitch happens because we are innately selfish thinkers. You place yourself in the center, calculating someone matching your birthday, requiring only 22 comparisons. But the universe checks everyone against everyone else. Person A against B, C, and D, and so on. Those 22 simple checks instantly explode into 253 unique pairings. This rapid compounding is called exponential growth, and our linear hunter-gatherer brains struggle to grasp how fast it accelerates. Increase the crowd to just 75 people, and the odds of a shared birthday hit 99.9%, a mathematical certainty. Because we fail to see these exponential combinations adding up in the background, we mistake guaranteed events for impossible coincidences or fate. Scale this mathematical blind spot up to an entire city, and the consequences get much heavier. During World War II, London endured relentless bombardment from massive V-1 and V-2 rockets. As the damage reports came in, terrified Londoners noticed the bomb strikes weren't evenly spaced. They were heavily clustered in specific neighborhoods. People developed intricate theories, convinced the Germans had hyper-precise targeting technology, or that spies on the ground were marking specific blocks to be spared. This map of London shows those clustered bomb strikes. In 1946, statistician R.D. Clark analyzed this layout. He proved the spread perfectly aligns with a Poisson distribution, a statistical formula for how completely independent random events occur over an area. The truth was, the bombings were entirely random. Clark identified what we now call the clustering illusion. Our evolutionary hardwiring demands that we find patterns to survive. When we look at true randomness, our brain works in overdrive to hallucinate an order that isn't there. When humans encounter chaotic data, what feels like deliberate design or a targeted attack is often just our brain's desperate attempt to organize reality. Zoom out to the global population, and the math gets even stranger. Periodically, a headline will break about someone winning a state lottery twice in their lifetime. It gets written up as a 1 in 17 trillion miracle. Statistician David Hand explains this through his law of truly large numbers. The law states that if you provide a large enough sample size, any outrageous or highly improbable thing is bound to happen to someone. The odds of you specifically winning the lottery twice are astronomical, but millions of people buy millions of tickets every single week across decades. Under that sheer volume of opportunity, a double winner somewhere on Earth is a mathematical certainty. This is amplified by the concept of multiple endpoints. We rarely define the exact conditions of a miracle beforehand. If you allow for near enough matches, like winning any 2 different lotteries in any state over any span of years, the odds of a coincidence skyrocket. Miracles don't require magic. They require an enormous sample size and a human brain willing to ignore the billions of times that absolutely nothing happened. This blind spot creates a high-stakes vulnerability in our digital infrastructure. Hackers weaponize our ignorance of exponential math through a technique called a birthday attack. When a bad actor tries to forge a digital signature or crack a system, they don't bother trying to match your specific password. That is the flawed, linear, selfish approach. Instead, they use the birthday attack strategy. They generate massive amounts of random data combinations. They aren't looking for a specific target. They just need any 2 identical outputs to collide, producing the same digital fingerprint or cryptographic hash. Because of the exact same exponential pairings we saw in the room of 23 people, this collision happens in a fraction of the time a linear guessing method would take. Our cognitive inability to intuitively grasp how fast probability scales is the exact loophole bad actors use to break into our digital lives. We have seen how large numbers and clusters create the illusion of intent. The phenomena we label as synchronicity or telepathy are the inevitable mathematical byproducts of these billions of interacting variables. When we stop trusting our flawed, linear gut instincts and embrace statistical thinking, the world doesn't lose its magic. Understanding probability allows us to step outside the illusion of randomness, revealing a universe that is far more interconnected, predictable, and fascinating than our intuition could ever show us.